Okay, so today we're going to do an unboxing video for the Decathlon cooking set, and it says here non-stick cook set and model MH500 2P, or it's like 2-person. And let me show it to you in the screen. Maybe I'll show it to you later, close up. Okay, I'm also using this at home, and if ever I go outing or camping or go outdoors, I also bring my utensils with me, because that's how it is when you live in a small spaces. You have to maximize everything that you have. I purchased this one from Decathlon website, but the brand of this cook set is Quechua. I don't know if that's spelled correctly. And this costs around 1,900 pesos. And it says here it's non-stick cook set model MH500 2P, and that means this is for 2-person. Right, there's the item number and everything else. This is how it looks like. It's not yet opened. Okay, you see it's kind of heavy though. Right, it is stainless steel. It's 1 kilo and 65 grams, 165 grams. So this is what it looks at the back. It got a lid, 500 ml, 2 spoon, fork and knife, 2 sets, and plates, and a carry bag, and some information that most people doesn't read. Let's start opening it. Use a scissor. Here, maybe here, I don't know, or maybe here. Whoop. I'm so excited. Right, let's put this plastic away. So this one is made of rubber, and it feels so premium. Everything's easy to open here. Alright. I think this is the frying pan. Wow, it's kind of heavy and it's really non-stick. 2 sets of cutleries, knife, spoon and fork, and it says there on the website that this can withstand at most 100 degrees Celsius. And I think this is the cooking pot. Oh, I don't know how to open. Oh, okay, so what you have to do is just put this up and then down. You can lock it. Wow, sturdy. Really use at home. And this one is made of plastic. Hopefully this will last. And you can also use this to cover the cooking pot. You have 2 drinking mugs made of high quality plastic, and I will post the information about this plastics on the next slide. And what is this? Let's check. Oh, where you can put this one in a bag after you use it. Is alright, storage bag. We have 2 plates, orange and dark blue. So there you go. This is the cooking pot. It's perfect to use at home and camping as well, because you can keep this uh, in a very small package if you go out. So let us put it back. So first we have to put on in the plates. Next, the drinking mugs, and the cover. I think it was here. Yeah. Oh yeah. It's supposed to be like this. Open it up. Slide. Spoon and fork goes here. It snaps in here. See, it goes in here. That one. Yeah. Then cover it with this one. Oh no. So in order for you to keep this, you have to press and bam. And use this to secure the cook set. This is a stretchable rubber, so we just have to lock it in place. Here, and the other one too. Lock it in place. Whoop. Put it inside the carry bag. What I can say is that the materials are really not cheap, and seems that the price I paid for this is justifiable. The quality is good. It's made of stainless steel, and it's really non-stick. Okay, in the next video maybe I'll make a video of cooking on this pot and frying food on this frying pan. We'll check how's the performance of this. Okay, about the plastics on this cooking set, the cutleries like the spoon, the fork, and the plastic knife, they are food grade. They are BPA free, and they can withstand until 100 degrees Celsius. That means you can use them to stir on your coffee, but I don't think so if you can use it to fry food. But I believe you just have to use like a wooden spoon if you're going to use on the nonstick to maintain its nonstick quality and to avoid scratching the surface. Thank you so much for watching the unboxing video. There's no box, so how come it become an unboxing? It was unplasticking video, I think so, or removal from plastic video. But anyway, here's another glimpse of the cooking set. It weighs around 1 kilo and 146 grams. The materials are nice, premium, and the price is really worth it. But I'll have to make another review and video about this cooking set. Once I go camping and bring this one, I'll cook rice and I'll check how's the maintenance after cooking the rice. Is it easy to clean or is it easy to maintain? And I'll update you guys. I'll upload one in YouTube, and just subscribe so that you'll know when will it be uploaded. And thank you so much for staying with me in this video. Have a great one. Bye bye.